Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we are going to study the summary of the chapter in your Vistas book, chapter 5. Should Wizard Hit Mommy? So, let's begin the summary of this chapter. First of all, we'll cover the theme of the chapter and then after summary. What is the theme? Sometimes there are questions on the theme of the chapter. The story raises a moral issue. If the parents would always decide what the children should do or let the children do what they like to do, children dream and live in their own magical world. They are devoid of despise, ugliness, and petty differences. They are pure at heart. This story raises a moral question at this point. Should Wizard hit Mommy? Joe feels that he must. Jack says that it would be wrong because a mommy is always right. She should be loved and respected. अब थीम क्या है इसकी? ये जो लेसन है, ये कहानी है मेनली टू कैरेक्टर्स की, जैक एंड जो की. जैक स्टोरी टेलर है एंड फादर ऑफ जो. जो इज अ गर्ल ऑफ 4 years. She raises intelligent questions while listening to the stories from her father. और फादर कभी कभी ऐसी सिचुएशंस में आ जाता है, ऐसी प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाता है कि अपनी डॉटर को वो आंसर नहीं कर पाता कि उसे क्या आंसर करना चाहिए, उसे क्या जवाब देना चाहिए. कभी कभी वो बड़ी प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिचुएशन में फंस जाता है. एवरी सैटरडे वो अपनी डॉटर को स्टोरी सुनाता है आफ्टरनून टाइम में, और हर रोज शाम को. स्पेशली ऑन सैटरडे इट इज़ अ टायरिंग टास्क. बड़ा ही थकाऊ काम होता है सैटरडे को, क्योंकि वो बेटी जो उसकी है आसानी से सैटरडे को सोती नहीं है. सो लेट्स बिगिन समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर. समरी. जैक वॉज द फादर ऑफ टू लिटिल किड्स, जो एंड बॉबी. अभी तीसरा वेटिंग में है. हिज वाइफ क्लेयर वॉज कैरिंग द थर्ड चाइल्ड. Jack would tell a story to his daughter Jo out of his head in the evenings and for Saturday naps in the afternoon time on weekends. This custom of storytelling began when Joe was 2 years old, and it was continuing for the last 2 years. That means Joe is now 4 years old. How old is Bobby? Bobby is 2 years old, and Claire is 6 months pregnant. Each new story only differed a bit from the basic tale. There always was a small creature. And what is the name of the creature? Roser. Usually named Roser. For example, Roser fish, Roser squirrel, Roser chipmunk, etc. He always had some problem and would go to the wise old owl. ये जो हमारा कैरेक्टर है रोजर, रोजर फिश, रोजर स्क्विरल, रोजर चिपमंक, रोजर स्कंक, हमेशा इसको कुछ न कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, समस्या इसके साथ आती है, और इसके लिए वो किससे कंसल्ट करता है? वाइज ओल्ड आउल से. अब ये जो ओल्ड आउल है स्टोरी में ये कॉमन है, ये बेसिक टेल है. रोजर क्रिएचर है, वो वाइज ओल्ड आउल के पास जाएगा, वो उसको विजर्ड के पास भेजेगा, विजर्ड उसको सोल्यूशन बता देगा, एंड द स्टोरी एंड्स. तो ये कॉमन सा, सब कुछ कॉमन सा है लगभग सारी स्टोरीज में. The owl would tell him to go to the wizard, who would perform a magic spell that solved the problem. और उसने मंत्र पढ़ा और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई. The wizard in turn would demand in payment a number of pennies greater than the number Roger creature had. अब रोजर क्रिएचर से वो कुछ ज्यादा पैसे मांगता था, जितना रोजर क्रिएचर के पास होते उससे कहीं ज्यादा. 4 होते तो 7, 7 होते तो 10. But at the same time he would direct the animal to a place where the extra pennies could be found. He directed him in the same breath. उसी के साथ साथ बता भी देता था कि यहाँ जाओ, go to that place, end of the lane, go to the end of the lane, there you will find a well. Then Roger would become so happy that he played many games with other creatures. He became very happy after getting his problem solved, played with his playmates, with other creatures. Roger then would go home to his mother, returned home in time, just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy from Boston City. Jack then described their supper, and the story was over. So it was common in each and every story. A Roger creature had some problem, went to wise old owl. That wise old owl suggested him to visit wizard. Wizard solved his problem. He returned home, ate, and the story over. Jack found this storytelling session especially tiring on Saturday. It was a tiring task, especially on Saturdays, because Joe never fell asleep in naps anymore. One Saturday, Jack asked Joe about whom the story should be today. Roger Skunk, she said firmly. तो क्या आंसर किया उसने? She wanted to listen the story about Roger Skunk. A new animal. They must talk about skunk at nursery school. Jack started the story of the tiny creature, a skunk, who lived in a dark, deep woods. His name was Roger Skunk, and he smelled very bad. He smelled so bad that other animals of the jungle would not play with him. इतनी बदबू आती थी उसके बॉडी से कि और कोई क्रिएचर उसके साथ खेलता नहीं था. They would run away and Roger Skunk would stand there all alone. और जैसे ही उनके साथ खेलने जाता, बाकी सारे जानवर इसको देखते ही भाग जाते. Because of his bad smell. Roger Skunk went to the wise old owl and told his problem. Like other stories, Roger Skunk went to the wise old owl and told his problem. The owl asked the skunk why he did not see the wizard. Then he went to the wizard and told that he smelled very bad and all the little animals used to run away from him. He told his problem to the wizard. The wizard took his magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger Skunk told him that he would like to smell like roses. The wizard chanted, and Roger Skunk started smelling like roses. The wizard asked Roger Skunk to pay 7 pennies, but Roger Skunk had only 4 pennies. Roger Skunk said that he had 4 pennies only, and he began to cry. The wizard directed Roger to go to the nearby magic well, and he would find 3 pennies there. Roger Skunk took out 3 pennies from the well and gave them to the wizard. Now all the little animals, all the other animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. What was his smell? His smell was of roses. They played various games and laughed. It began to get dark, so they all ran home to their mummies. Joe thought that the story was all over. But actually, the story was not over. Still, there was a twist in the story. What was the twist? When Roger Skunk went home, his mummy said that the smell was awful. She asked, who made him smell like that? अब गुस्से में पूछा कि तुम्हारी ये महक किसने बनाई है? Who made you smell like that? Roger Skunk said that the wizard did so. This is the work of the wizard. This has been done by the wizard. She said that they were going right back to that wizard. She took her umbrella and both of them went directly to that wizard. He said that all the other animals would run away with his bad smell, but his mummy said that she did not care. He would smell the way a little skunk should have smelled. So she took Roger with her and went to the wizard. When the wizard opened the door, she hit him with her umbrella and explained how the wizard magic infuriated her. She told her, तुरंत इसको इसकी वापस करो स्मेल, जो इसकी असली स्मेल थी वो स्मेल वापस करो. She was angry at him. The wizard spelled another magic, and Roger smelled as foul as he did earlier. He started smelling like he smelled earlier. But she was displeased with this new ending. But Joe, the little girl, was not pleased with this ending. उसको ये एंडिंग पसंद नहीं आई. जो उसके फादर ने जो कहानी सुनाई वो एंडिंग उसको पसंद नहीं आई. She was displeased with this new ending and wanted her father to make the wizard hit Roger's mommy. वो क्या चाहती थी, कैसी एंडिंग? उस विजार्ड को मम्मी ने उसको मारा था. रोजर स्कंक की मम्मी ने विजार्ड को मारा. वो चाहती थी इन रिटर्न, बदले में वो विजार्ड गुस्से में आकर के मम्मी को पीटे, रोजर स्कंक की मम्मी को. बट जैक वॉज नॉट रेडी टू मेक एनी चेंज as he thought Joe should accept him without questioning. पेरेंट्स को क्या लगता है? पेरेंट्स को ये लगता है कि बच्चे जैसे पेरेंट्स कहें ठीक वैसे ही उनको करना चाहिए. सो ही थॉट द सेम वे. उसको लगा कि जो वो कहानी सुनाएगा, जो कहेगा, जो समझाएगा, जो मान लेगी. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था. जो ने क्या कहा, नहीं, कहानी में ये होना चाहिए कि उस जादूगर ने, उस विजार्ड ने रोजर स्कंक की मम्मी को पीटा जैसे उसने अम्ब्रेला से उसको पीटा था. जो प्रोटेस्टेड, बट जैक सेड that it was daddy's story. When Joe protested, interrupted, Jack said it was daddy's story, not of Joe's. He said then Roger Skunk and his mummy went home. They had supper, and when Roger Skunk was in bed, Mommy Skunk came up and hugged him and said she loved him very much. मम्मी रात में उसके पास आती हैं जब वो सो रहा होता है, उसको गले लगाती हैं and said that she loved him very much. He told her that the story ends there. Now Jack says the story ends there. अब कहानी end हो जाती है. But Joe is not ready to accept it. Joe asked her daddy if the other animals run away from Roger Skunk. डैडी, क्या अब वो अदर एनिमल जो उससे भागते थे, उसकी बदबू से, क्या अब भी भागते थे? जैक सेड नो, नो, नॉट एट ऑल. They finally got used to the way Roger Skunk was and did not mind it at all. Now they were used to They accepted his smell and started playing with him. It was not a problem after that. They finally got used to the way Roger Skunk was and did not mind it at all. Joe commented that she was a stupid mummy. At this point, Joe commented that the mother of Roger Skunk was a stupid mother. He asked her to have a long nap as her brother Bobby was also sleeping. Now Jack says to his daughter to sleep because it was late, it was getting dark, and her brother Bobby was already asleep. Joe told him that she wanted him to tell her the story the next day that wizard took that magic wand and hid that mummy. अब जो ने क्या कहा, पापा कल आप मुझे स्टोरी सुनाएंगे और उसमें मुझे ये बताएंगे कि कैसे जादूगर ने मम्मी के सिर पे मारा. To whose mother? To Roger Skunk's mother. Right over the head. Jack said that it was not the story. The point is that the little skunk loved his mummy more than he loved all the other little animals. The point in the story, he tried to justify his opinion about the point in the story that little skunk loved his mummy more than he loved all the other little animals. Moreover, she knew what was right for him. But Joe insisted that tomorrow he should say that the wizard hit that mummy. Jack said that he would see and asked her to sleep. जैक ने कहा चलो ठीक है कल देखते हैं अभी सो जाओ. He closed the door and went downstairs where Claire was striking the chair rail with a dipped brush. She was painting the woodwork. Above him footsteps vibrated. अब उसने सुना कि ऊपर कुछ चलने की आवाज आ रही है. Whose footsteps were these? Of Joe. These were Joe's footsteps. He threatened to beat her, and then the footsteps slowed down. Claire observed that it was a long story. He simply said, "The poor kid." He watched his wife working hard on the woodwork. He was unable to do anything. He was unable to talk to her. He was unable to work with her, to touch her. She was doing painting work. Thus, the writer displays adult authority on one hand and the child's inquisitiveness on the other hand.